Hello and welcome back to the Wallmantra Show. I'm your host Harshita, and today also we are going to continue with the tips to decorate your living room like a perfectionist. Make your floor speak and utter out the experience. Choose a rug that is soft on the feet and does not accumulate dirt too quickly. You can place your rug between your sofa and your TV. Out of all the ideas regarding the living room, the major spotlight is on the lighting. Lighting creates the vibe of the space. You can definitely add one statement light in your living room, and it will absolutely become the center of attraction for your home. Adding designer mirror in your living room will add a sense of space. Reflections from the mirror will distribute the light more evenly and create a nice aura. That was all for today, guys. For more tips, stay tuned and keep watching the Wallmantra Show. Bye.